Let me show you the way that you set up your Discord privacy settings. If you want to make your account of Discord a bit more private, there are a few settings that you can manage. So to do that, you need to head over to the user settings, which is the square icon on the bottom of the screen. Once you do that, and once you're inside of the settings of Discord, the first thing you can do is head over to content and social. And right here, you can see, if you scroll down, you'll see a section called social permissions. You'll see the options such as direct messages and message requests. If you don't want any messages from other people, you can just make sure to turn this option off, as well as you can select different servers you want to add or enable this. Other than the messages, you'll also have the option called friend requests. If you want other people such as your friends or server members to send you friend requests. If you don't want that, you can also turn this off like this. Now, apart from direct messages and friend requests, if you head over to data and privacy, these are all of your data that is being used by Discord. If you don't want to enable a particular option, you can just turn it off like we did earlier. And you can also scroll down to the bottom of this page and head over to activity privacy. If you don't want to show your activity on a public level, you can make sure to turn this option off. It says right here, Discord will automatically update your status if you're attending a public stage. So if you don't want this, you can turn this off. Inside of this, if you want to let it be turned on, you can manage a few other settings. If you scroll down, you can see you can turn on or turn off different servers that you are inside of, and also a few other settings. If you head over to the account section, you also have the option of creating or enabling a two-factor authentication. This way, your account of Discord will have a different layer of security so that other people cannot access. So that's the way that you manage the privacy settings inside of Discord. Be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. And also make sure to hit that notification bell if you are interested in more future videos.